Alright, so if you're given negative 5 comma 5 pi over 6 as the polar coordinates, question is, what is this in rectangular? How do you change that into rectangular? Well, you just use these formulas. X is equal to r cosine theta. Y is equal to r sine theta. And if you apply these formulas to what you're given here, you simply get x equal to negative 5 cosine 5 pi over 6. And y equals to negative 5 sine 5 pi over 6. All right. Now you have to figure out what cosine 5 pi over 6 and sine 5 pi over 6 is. So let's think about it.
It's 5 pi.
If I draw the graph of sine x, here's 2 pi, here's pi, here's 0. Okay.
30 degrees.
And then 5 pi over 6 is right before pi. It's like 1/6 of pi less than pi. 1/6 of pi less than pi. So it's like right before pi. So if you think about the 4 quadrants, each of the 4 quadrants have 3 special angles in between, right? So you have 1, 2, 3 here, 1, 2, 3 here, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And we're talking about this one, okay? Now, looking at this graph, and also knowing the fact that at the special angles, sine and cosine, they all look like this, whose values are easy as 1, 2, 3. This one is the smallest, so which one do we choose? 1/2. So we know that this is sine. We just did sine here. So this value is 1/2. So this is negative 5 times 1 over 2. So that's negative 5 over 2. Now let's do the same for the cosine. Cosine is 2 pi, pi, and then pi over 2, 3 pi over 2, like that. That's the cosine graph. Again, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. You have three things. And if you look at 5 pi over 6, which is right before pi, this is, among these, which one is it? It's a large size, right? But it's going down. So what do you do? It's a negative value. So we know that it's negative right equal 3 over 2. So this is negative 5 times negative right equal 3 over 2, which is 5 right equal 3 over 2. And that's it. I found what x coordinate is, and I found what y coordinate is. Therefore, the answer is 5 right equal 3 over 2, comma negative 5 over 2 in rectangular coordinates.